the Tudia Arch S and the Tudia Merge for the OnePlus 6. Now I'd like to give a special shout out to Tudia for sending these over for review. So let's dive right in. Now go ahead and start out with the Arch S. This is the pamphlet that it comes with. So you can pause the video and read that if you want. And more information about the case on this side as well. There you go, put that to the side. This is the packaging that it comes in. Tudia, QR code. There's the label. Tudia on this side. Open this up. Fake phone on the inside. Very simple TPU. In matte black, as you can see. Cutouts here for your camera and fingerprint scanner. Cutout for your switch. Raise button for your power. Raise buttons for your volume rocker. And on each side, there is a ridge pattern to help with grip, and also Tudia branding here on this part of the case, very subtle. And on the back here is their Tudia design. Let the light hit it so you can check it out. And on the bottom of the case, cutouts. Check those out. And on top, mic cutout. So let's go ahead and slide the device in and check it out. The case is black, so blends in perfectly with the phone. And on the back, cutout for your fingerprint scanner flash, dual camera setup, access to the switch, no issues, volume rocker, and power right there, and the cutout. Let the light hit it. Perfect. Let's go ahead and test out the fingerprint scanner. Nice and wide open. One more time for giggles. And do it like this. Perfect. Power button. Works as it should. And the volume rocker. Buttons are nice and clicky on this one. You do have a little bit of a front lip here. So if you put this phone flat on the table, glass will not touch the surface. The Tudia Arch S for the OnePlus 6. On to the next case. So this one is the Tudia Merge for the OnePlus 6. This is the pamphlet that it comes with. So you can pause the video if you want to read that. And on the back, there you go. Put that to the side. Here's the packaging, same thing as the other one. QR code Tudia. That's the barcode. On the front, Tudia, as you can see. Check this one out. This one is a two-part case, I believe. As you can see, get the fake phone out. And here we go. Let's check out the inside of the case first. You have your pattern on the inside and Tudia Merge branding right there. Very nice. On the back, you have your massive cutout for your fingerprint scanner flash, dual camera setup. Tudia branding here on this part of the case, and similar design on this case as well. Check the design out on this one. Very similar design on this case. Check out this nice and bright mint green color. That's my cat's messing around in the background, if you hear that. Cutouts. Check that out. On top, cutout for the mic. Okay, what else did I miss? Cutout for your switch. There you go. Raise button for the power. Raise button for the volume rocker. And on the top part of the case, on the TPU portion here, I don't know if the camera will see that. Same thing on the other side, is a ridge pattern to help with grip. And this is a two-part case. So you can see, you can kind of take it apart. I'm not gonna do it all the way, but you can if you want to. So there it is. Let's go ahead and just put the device in the case. Check it out real fast. Let me see. There you go. Snaps right in. Now, let's test out the fingerprint scanner. Works. Do that one more time, and let's go. And one more time, do it like this. Works, not a problem. Power button. Nice and clicky. Same thing with the volume. Yes. Very nice and tactile buttons. Non-issue, and access to the switch. No issues with that. Check out the front lip. You have a very nice amount of lip in the front here. So you put this down flat on the table, the glass will not touch the surface. And both of these cases, they feel really good in the hand. This one's a little bit more flimsy. This one a little bit more substantial. Should provide your phone with a little bit more protection. But I do dig this mint color here. Something a little bit different, nice and bright. So this one is the Tudia Mage case for the OnePlus 6. And this one right here is the Arch S from Tudia. Again, a special shout out to them for sending these two cases over for review. If you're interested, put links down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.